Herzlich willkommen zu einer neuen Folge Red Dead Redemption 2. Wir sind jetzt hier im 3. Kapitel in unserem neuen Lager Clemens Point. So, genau, jetzt haben wir es. Und zwar haben wir letztes Mal ja Rhodes unsicher gemacht. Eigentlich haben wir nur für den Pearson da einen kleinen Bodengang erledigen. Und dann ist es ein bisschen ausgeartet, weil uns irgendwelche Banditen überfallen haben. Sadie hat sich nicht so wahnsinnig im Griff gehabt und hat dann das Feuer eröffnet. Der Dutch hat uns den Auftrag erteilt, dass wir mal die 2 Banden in Rhodes untersuchen. Und das machen wir jetzt. Pilgrim, wie geht's da? Oh no. Oh no.
Arthur, what are you doing?
Spannend hier. Vorne hat es einen Kopfgeldjäger, verstehst du? Im Lager, Mann! Die sind noch nie so nah ans Lager angekommen. Ja. Das war wohl nix, hä? Was sagt das Tagebuch? Mrs. Adler, die Witwe, die wir vor einiger Zeit gerettet haben, ist vielleicht die verrückteste von uns allen. Sie kämpft wie ein in die Enge getriebener Iltis mit einer Wut und einer Blutlust, der mir eine Heidenangst einjagt. Wenn ich mich je mit ihr anlege, bin ich ein toter Mann. Die wird sich noch gut mit der Belle verstehen. Was ich aber nicht vorhabe. Denn sie ist eine wunderbare Frau, amüsant und gutherzig und anständig und zornig. Ich bin mit ihr einkaufen gegangen, um zu verhindern, dass sie den alten Pearson mitten im Lager in Stücke hackt. Und als wir dann überfallen wurden, wurde sie völlig zur Furie und hat gezeigt, dass sie mindestens ebenso gut töten kann wie jeder von uns. Die Frau ist stabil. Cool. Bestie. Haben wir da einen neuen Crush? Mary, du hast deine Chance gehabt. Nein, der geht nicht so schnell. Pilgrim, Baby. Oh. Juhu. Ja, guten Morgen. Hoi.
Yeah,
Geht's
there's
dir
this
gut?
girl.
Das ist das rechte Pilgrim. So. Mal schauen, ob wir da mal ein bisschen weiterkommen.
Slow up now. Get in.
Hello?
I'm done listening to your bullcrap.
All right,
day,
there.
every day, none to see. Move along now. I'm gonna knock you upside your head.
Back to work before I bust the pair of you.
After all them nights.
Kollege.
Everyone guess what's coming, don't they?
Ja, der da war ziemlich unschuldig da.
Yep.
Pilgrim! Lieber die Waffe wegstecken. Sonst grüssen wir wieder einen aus Versehen mit den Kugeln. Geht's? Und vor. So. Zurück zum Plan, den wir ursprünglich mal vorgehabt haben.
Hey, partner.
Wir sind so Opfer einfach. Hi, hi. Niemand sagt etwas. Okay, sorry.
Ja.
Ja. Da haben wir jetzt einfach auch schon Kopfgeld. Danke, Seri. Egal, hat trotzdem Spaß gemacht. Auf eine Art. So, da verhalten wir uns jetzt extra anständig. Gwen! Darf ich schnell reinkommen? Ich will unbedingt da ins
Never
Bestattungsamt.
gonna get the hang of this.
Come on! Bist du der Gwen? Hallo?
Hey there. Morning, friend.
Good morning. Gefangener. Ah, dort. Okay.
Dad don't care if it's pretty, right?
Hey. Ein bisschen letzte Ehe da.
Sorry to lose the war. Pathetic bastard, sir. Here, y'all boys prove yourself to be young.
Ah, hier drauf, okay.
You're funny.
You want a fitting?
Hoi! Gwen? Gwen, du schuldest uns Geld.
Gwen Hughes. Stop picking out a box for yourself. If you don't got that money, you owe Leopold
Entspann
Strauss.
dich, Gwen.
I don't. I need more time.
Doesn't everybody? That casket for you? Or you want another?
Wait. I can get it for you. But, come with me to the churchyard. And stay close.
Und entspann dich, Gwen. Entspann dich, du fällst auf.
Oh, this ain't right. I mean, I'll get you your money, but, well, you'll see.
What ain't right is borrowing money you can't pay back.
I guess you're correct, but, this, it ain't exactly right, what we're doing.
You ain't the first to put his hand in the collection box, and you won't be the last. Rest a little easier knowing church has been taking more than they need off poor folks since time began.
Well, like I said, well, the morality of the matter is a little more confusing than
Das
that.
ist so. Generell so. The first church of
Okay.
Rhodes.
You head on in the church, I'll keep watch.
Well, it ain't in there. It's under here. I'm digging up Mrs. Claypole.
Jesus!
Well, she got a bunch of jewels in there that she don't need.
Du Leichen, nicht, wie sagt man dem? Nicht Leichenschänder. Du Grabräuber.
Oh, damn it.
Alles gut?
There's a bunch of people here. Oh, I got it. Look, you clear them off, and I'll wait right around here. But don't hurt nobody.
Nein.
We don't want no fuss.
Nein.
Don't be shy, ain't no one around.
You two might want to find somewhere a little more private.
We was fine until you got here, mister.
Hey.
Good day now.
Nein. Komm. Gang bitte.
Get out of here, kids! Move!
Come on! I knew we shouldn't have been here.
You missed your chance, boy.
Ich glaube, wir haben jetzt gerade ein Date versaut. Ups.
Ma'am, would you mind clearing out of here for some maintenance work?
Gladly. It's about time this place got cleaned up.
Sie war einfach der Grabstein am Polieren. Gewesen. Ja, der hat mir gefallen tun. Gwen, ist erledigt.
It's all clear.
All right. Now go watch the gate. I'll get to this exhumation.
Ciao, schönen Tag. Du kannst jetzt nicht da rein, Madame. Sorry, es ist zu. Wir Wir sind am Renovieren da.
I'm sorry, ma'am. The church grounds are
Huh?
closed for maintenance work.
Well, it's about time too. The place was in need of some care and attention.
Wir kümmern uns drum. Versprochen. Schmeiß die Dose einfach aufs Kirchengelände über. Tack. Ja, allgemein ist scheiße, dass die Dose einfach weg ist. Wir haben das Thema schon ein paar Mal angesprochen. Sorry, Leute. Get the hell out of here. Nein, das machen wir ganz freundlich.
Hey, look, we're closed for some excavation work. Would you mind?
No, I ain't gonna mind you at all. You carry on with your business, we'll carry on with ours. This fella. Oh, damn choir boy.
Get the hell out of this churchyard. Are you boys gonna need yourselves a preacher?
You hear this fella? I heard him all
Oh,
right.
der will, ich hab's gewusst, ich hab's gespürt. Du hast mich um meinen neuen Hut gebracht.
You gonna get it?
Putz meinen Hut. Los! Los!
Shit. Hope this hole's dug.
Die heutige Jugend. Omer. Omer. Ah, Moment. Da ist mein Hut. Da ist mein Hut. So. Crocodile Dundee. So nämlich. Und ihr so? Genießt doch ein bisschen die Sonne. Ja, ihr habt recht. So, gehen wir zurück zu unserem neuen Mate.
All right, well, here's your payment. Oh, forgive me, Mrs. Claypole.
Willst du mir sagen, dass du jetzt... Nein, hast du nicht
Looks like
gemacht.
diamonds.
Ja, der hat jetzt seine Art von Geldbeschaffung professionalisiert. Oh mein Gott.
Quick, take it before
Ja,
somebody sees us.
sorry. Da. Diamant. Fühlt sich falsch an.
Well, this'll do.
Fühlt sich nicht ganz richtig. Aber mach da bitte, oder? Mach da wieder zu.
Can't believe it's come to this.
Ja, ich hoffe, du
All right, well,
machst das nicht etwa so.
I'm out of here.
Ciao.
That's your morning. Make it clear what I owe.
Ja, schönen Tag noch. Also wenn einer mal, wenn einer, wie sagt man, Karma-Punkte verloren hat, dann unser neuer Kollege. Ciao zusammen. Hat mich gefreut. So. Gehen wir schnell zum Dachi Boy. Haben wir ja versprochen. Oder, dass wir für ihn etwas gut checken gehen.
Yep, that's
So,
Howdy.
howdy.
Hello,
Hi.
mister.
Okay, die müssen wir in dem Fall nicht ansprechen. Da.
Okay there?
Hey
Hi.
there.
Müssen wir freiwillig ins Sheriff Office hineinlaufen. Okay. Wir sind ja brav. Nein, ist nicht so, dass wir gerade ein Grab geschändet haben.
Of course. Oh, and here is my dear friend, Arthur Callahan. Boy is a hunter. Boy is a killer. Arthur, you've met but not been introduced to Mr. Oh, I'm so sorry, Sheriff Gray.
How are you doing, sir?
I'm fine.
Tough business you boys had.
We did?
Oh, there's no need to pretend with me, sir. Life can be tough.
So it can.
And no man owes another anything.
No, sir.
But still, I feel you were hard done by. Losing your employment like that. But still, here in Rhodes, we have work enough for honest men.
Du meinst besoffene Men.
Ah, that's some strong stuff. Still, don't seem to be doing you any harm, I guess.
Exactly.
Entschuldigung. Ciao.
I told you we was moving up in this world.
Kennst du den Lenny?
Deputies.
You have finally lost your mind.
Amongst these drunkards, hillbillies, and slavers? Good, honest thieves like us. We're bound to be moralizers in a place like this. Oh, Sheriff Gray, you are back.
Now listen, sir. There is shine in them woods, though. And it is costing this county its good name. And the state a whole lot of income. You boys wouldn't mind rooting it out. Maybe we'll make you permanent. I gotta sit me down a second.
Not a problem, sir. Not a problem at
Gang die
all.
Großnüchtere.
You are in safe hands now. And people waste time with the temperance movement. Liquor never dulled a good man's
Ja,
sense.
doch. Frag den Lenny.
Arthur, you ride with the deputy. Bill and I will follow.
Climb on up. Let's go.
Wow. Wow.
On time, girl.
Let's go, Pilgrim.
Come on. We need to get moving.
Aha, gehen wir mit dem Wägeli, nicht mit dem... Okay. Pilgrim, kommst du mit?
Archibald? How are you?
Fine.
Pretty good.
And your friend is behaving
Immer.
himself?
Immer.
Oh, yes. I think he's learned his lesson.
Congratulations on becoming a temporarily deputized citizen of Scarlet Meadows County. Most
Steile
towns
Abstieg.
just get bounty hunters to do their dirty work these days, but Sheriff Gray believes the law should keep the law. Now, I'm sure I don't need to remind you there's a chain of command here.
There is?
Dang straight there is. This is a dangerous business, but follow my lead and you'll be just fine.
Sure. Hey! Archibald wants to remind us he's in charge here.
Of course.
Who else would be?
You were a big help with them Anderson boys, and I put in a very good word with the sheriff on your behalf.
Ah, okay.
We appreciate that.
We rounded up the others soon after. I'm pushing for the rope myself, but that's by the by.
So, these moonshiners.
Not just any moonshiners, Braithwaites. I told you about the Braithwaites.
Pretty sure you did.
Old Cotton family had a fortune at one point until, well, a few changes in the labor laws. Now they're dealing in moonshine. We found their stills hidden all over Lemoyne. Quick as we destroy one, another one pops up. You could call it a pitiful fall from grace, if they had any grace to start with.
I have no time for tax dodgers.
Not to mention the fact that Catherine Braithwaite has a rather expensive interest in thoroughbred horses to maintain.
But I heard something about it being gold these families were fighting over.
Well, that's the rumor. But the Grays and the Braithwaites think the others stole a fortune from them. But it happened so long ago, I don't know for sure if it's true.
Must be tough being rich, huh?
So I imagine.
That badge rather suits you, Mr. W.
Yes.
Mr. W.
thought so too.
Does it feel good to be back at it? Serving your country?
I wouldn't go that far.
Eben, gell?
Whoa! Whoa! Hold up. You see that wagon?
Ja, weißt du mit?
Dear me, that don't look good. Oh. Come on. Keep your eyes open.
Ja, die haben sicher schon bessere Tage erlebt, da, die Kollegen.
No, this must have happened recently.
I swear they got it in.
Hey, come have a look at this.
Washing once in a while.
Ja, aber der sieht nicht mehr so frisch aus. Der sieht schon länger kalt aus.
Look, suit and tie, one bullet clean through the forehead. Well, my money says this is the handiwork of a gang called the Lemoyne
Ja, und dann sind wir schon begegnet.
Yeah, I've run into
Eben, gell?
them.
Let's see if we've got any identification. Okay. We should get going. I'll send someone over here later to clean this up.
Gell, für da haben wir Lehrling. Praktikanten. Rutsch über, los. Rutsch!
Would you mind taking the reins? I want to have a look at these
Von mir
papers.
aus.
Sure.
I'll direct you. Okay. Frederick Mitchell, Lemoyne State Legislator. Poor feller. Yes, this certainly smacks of the Raiders to me. Bunch of ex-Army Free Staters without an ounce of respect for the law. That's 7 government officials they've murdered this year alone.
Yep. Not the nicest fellas in my experience.
Oh, and I know the Braithwaites are in business with them. No shame. Oh, right at the crossroads. Trash begets trash, my Uncle Reginald used to say. He had a few stories, let me tell you. Town preacher and town sheriff. Could drink a sailor under the table before breakfast. He had one tiny hand, like a child's, on the end of a grown man's arm. They're right again here. But anyway, this tells you what kind of people the Braithwaites are, selling moonshine to murderers. I tell folks don't even speak to them. Don't even look them in the eye.
I'm sure I wouldn't.
Gespannt, ob da wirklich so üble Typen sind.
Here we are. So what was I saying?
Something about the Braithwaites, I think.
Even saying that word makes me sick.
Sozusagen der Voldemort.
Now, anyone we find here, we bring in alive, understood? Round them up, then take this operation down for good. Come on,
Come on.
let's see what we're dealing with.